Alright, today's video we're going to compare ChatGPT with Claude to find out what's the best vibe coding AI. What we're going to do is super simple. We're going to give each AI model 10 minutes and we're going to give a screenshot of a page and we're going to say, hey, make me this. And in those 10 minutes, we're going to be able to tweak it and add prompts to improve a little bit, but that's it. Once the 10 minutes are done, we're done. Alright, and the website we're going to make today is going to be this YouTube homepage. It's literally going to be me taking a screenshot of this, just like so, going on ChatGPT and grabbing it and whacking it in here. And we're just gonna ask it, make me this website. And then we're just gonna go and we're gonna start the timer. All right, so it's thinking, trying to figure out how it's gonna do it. Interesting, it's gone for the React route. So if you guys don't know, React is a JavaScript framework. Oh, look, you can see it's even extracted the text from the video. Okay, we're even using some Tailwind. So Tailwind is basically like a CSS, but shortened, and it's a lot easier to apply as well. All right, we're less than a minute in and it's already done. So we're gonna preview this and see what it's like. Come on. Whoa, that is not too shabby. I don't know who this is. That looks nothing like me. Like that, I don't know who that is. I don't know why they picked this. It's probably the image generation AI. Okay, so it looks not too bad. You can't, okay, if you scroll down even more, am I zoomed in or is it literally, okay, like that. Cool. Logo is a bit meh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key shocked. I thought it was gonna be trash, but it's actually not that bad. So far so good. We're gonna try to get thumbnails now, all right? Add the thumbnails. This is so funny because I'm actually a software developer, so it's really funny just trying to pretend like I'm not a software developer. This is what I would do if I couldn't program, basically. Just tell it, do this now, blah, 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 blah. So it's edited it, but we've got a syntax error. I don't know where the syntax error is. Usually you should have like a red line telling you where the issue is. Okay, let's fix the error. Again, I'm trying to literally type like I don't know what's going on. Give it time. I will say though, the code is not too bad. That's the really good thing about AI, you know? It's really good at giving you some good boilerplates to start with. Okay, so it's fixed this. Can I preview it? Preview. Okay, so it's just giving me placeholder text. I'm assuming it doesn't know how to literally get the images. I would have thought it would have, but I'm guessing the web scraping is in there. If you don't know, you can literally just right click. You can go on you have to do it on Google. Basically, if you go on Google Chrome and you go on whatever YouTube page, and let's say you want to get this thumbnail right here, right? You can literally just right click it, you can click copy image address, and you can paste it here, and you now have the actual URL for the thumbnail. And you can even copy this, and it's not even authenticated, so you can go on incognito, paste it like this, and you can see it. So I was expecting it to do that, but I guess I was expecting too much. Anyway, back to fighting this. Let's see what we have right now, because clearly it's a wrap that we don't have. Okay, why do we have a speech thing here? Did we have this here? Oh, it's trying to replicate the mic. Oh my God. Okay, use icons for buttons. Also, why is the profile picture a woman? I'm trying to think of a funny joke. I can't think of a funny joke. All right. Your buttons are now SVG. Are they? Let me see. I can't go on preview. Okay, so it's building it. It's like, wait, what is going on? What is happening? Unexpected token. I don't know what this is. Fix the error. Exclamation mark. That will show it, you know. If you do an exclamation mark, it means you're being serious. Okay, so I think it's fixed it. Can I preview? Okay. Better improvements. That's not exactly what we want, but I'm guessing YouTube got their own library, so that will do. We want to use the actual YouTube library, YouTube icon. Use the actual YouTube logo. Let's see if we can do it. I know some of these AI models have got like copyright infringement. So if you tell it, for example, there was a story where if you try to make it do Winnie the Pooh or something like that, it would give you like a copyright error. Okay, the actual YouTube logo is there. I will believe it when I see it. Can I preview? Why can't I preview? This is the thing, right? What's annoying? It will write you the code and it won't even mention any errors. So it's clearly not checking anything, which makes sense. I'm not expecting much, like I said before, but brother, like, am I gonna have to write every single time? Fix the errors, please. Crazy. I mean, look, we've got 2 minutes 34. We're nearly there. I think this has fixed it now. You know what? Okay, so the main thing with ChatGPT, right? It keeps missing the closing tags. If you don't know what closing tags are, literally, when you're working with elements in programming, HTML specifically, you usually wrap them around. So you see this header, anything inside this header is part of the header, and you need to close it, as you can see here. So that's what I mean. All right, let's preview this. Logo. What is, I see. Okay. So what we've got here, I've got the dog theme, and I think it's used Is it use the icon or is it got YouTube here but in black? I actually can't tell. Okay, anyway, we're running out of time. We haven't got images. These buttons aren't clickable. Let's make the tabs clickable and make them filter some of the videos. Let's see. Oh, 132, 130. How much you want to bet whatever solution it's going to give me, there's going to be a missing closing tag? What now? What now? What now? Let me click. What is it? Fix this bug. What's the fix? What's wrong? Oh, we've got a minute, less than a minute left. It's going through. You know what's funny? I haven't even used the bug fixing. There's 30 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, preview. Can I click it? Nice. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, so this is what the final result is. Let's close this. Let's go to all. Can we go full screen? Can we go full screen? Can I move this here? I can move. No, I can't go full screen. Can I open it? No, I can't. Okay, not horrible. They got rid of the woman, so I don't know what happened there. I don't know. Oh my God, dude, I thought I got hacked, but that's just the name it used for the thumbnail. That's so funny. Okay, I'll be honest, this isn't too bad. And look in the code isn't even horrible. So not too bad. I will give it probably I'm gonna be honest, this is like an 8 out of 10 in my opinion. Yes, you've got it's missing the icons here, but it's got the tabs, right? I mean, it's the horizontal scrolling. I mean, these buttons do nothing. Oh, this is a weird bug. You see, they haven't cornered the borders. So I'm seeing you here, ChatGPT. I mean, it's not horrible. Okay, I take it back. 6.5 out of 10. 6.5. All right, we're gonna do the same thing with Claude. We're gonna screenshot just like I did, just like that. Claude, we're gonna whack it in here. Make this website. Exclamation mark. Don't forget the exclamation mark. All right, we'll start the timer. Okay, so now we've got an interesting UI. We can see the code being written. I think with ChatGPT, it was more of, I think it showed you the code once it had 90% of it done. So you can see here, they're using straight up CSS. You see the styling. They're not going for the good old Tailwind, which is an interesting approach. I'm assuming ChatGPT went with React because it's the most popular framework out there. So it just assumed you'd want to use React. ChatGPT was done by now, so I'm not saying Claude, so, ooh, okay, I better shut my mouth. I better shut my mouth right now. Wow. Publish and copy, no way. I can go on the link? Piss off. Whoa, okay, we've got some bugs here. But that's, okay, 1 point for Claude. Okay, you can probably hear the bias towards Claude. I actually don't care about either models. I'll use whichever one's best. I have no loyalty to AI. I'll just say that straight up. It's like a barber. If you do me dirty, I'm going to the next one, straight. We've got 8 minutes left. So let's see what the issues are. We're gonna go back here so we can actually tell it to fix stuff. First things first, when there is no space for the left navigation, I can't spell bar, I want to be able to toggle it by clicking the toggle button next to the menu. What I mean by this is, you see this button here? I want to be able to click on it and I get to see the menu because you can see, oh, well, that's gone. So like this, you can click this. We want to do the same thing with Claude. Okay, it's done. Moment of truth. What is going on? Okay, it's not showing. There seems to be a bug. I can't see the nav bar. It flashes. Also, when you're using these AI models and whatever, you need to be able to describe really well. You can probably tell I'm not the best at describing. So if you're really good at describing, trust me, you'll get banging results. All right, 6 minutes left. Come on. We've got the update. Let's see. Click on it. What is going on? I can't see it. Is it on the right-hand side? Dude, I can't see it at all. I still can't see it. I still can't see it. But the scroll bar is changing, right? Yeah. But I see the scroll bar moving when I click the button. Okay. Not the best start so far, right? Right? Maybe, I don't know. You guys tell me. I don't know if it's the best start. I think I'm surprised that ChatGPT did well. No way this toggles. No, it doesn't. Hi desktop, let's see. Click on this. Okay, I'm gonna give up on this because it's clearly not working. Let's try something else. Let's try tab filtering. Okay, I give up, bro. Can you please add tab filtering. Okay, it's doing it. 4 minutes left. Okay, we're nearly there. Actually, we're not even there. I don't know why I'm lying to you. It's still going. There's 3 minutes left. I think ChatGPT is gonna win this. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, snap. Okay, I better shut my mouth because I don't know where that came from. I like it though. It's nice and I can filter. And what's it picked? Everything sports. Okay, it knew the sports. NTL. Oh, this is Nico's thing. Entertainment. Yeah, entertainment. Travel. Okay, finance, gaming, music. Cool. Not too bad. We've got 2 minutes left. So what we want to do now is, has it added okay, it's added that. It's added an icon. It's even added the logo. I didn't even have to ask for the logo. So far, Claude's winning. Look at me jumping to the other side straight away. We want to add, when we click on this, we want to be able to see like a pop-up with the notifications. Actually, we want to also have a number next to it, next to the bell, so it shows notifications, right? Add a counter on the notification bell telling me I have 99 plus notifications. And when I click on it, there is a small pop over, which is what this is when you click on it and it shows a little pop-up. Pop over telling me I have hit 1 million subscribers. Let's see if it can manifest my dreams here. All right, we've got 1:30 left. I think this is the last Hail Mary. And if it gets it right, it probably takes a cake, I'm not gonna lie. Also, a good thing with this is you can just copy this and it will work. Whereas with this ChatGPT one, if I go to the code, where's the code? Do I click stop? There. You need React. So I can't copy this to an empty file and just paste it here and it will work. It won't work like that. Like if I go, I'll do it later, but you'll see you can't really do that. Anyway, okay. 99, nice. Let's make it realistic, right? Oh, what is going on? I clicked away. We're gonna publish this. Copy. We've got 43 seconds. We're gonna go here. We're gonna paste this here. Come on. 99. I click on it. Nice. That's cold. I like that. Okay, nice. I think Claude brought out the bag. You know what it is? I think Claude was listening and he wanted to embarrass me. That's what's actually happened. I can't think of anything else to add in 20 seconds, but I like it. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting thumbnails to actually show up here because I know it wouldn't be able to dig deep and get it, but we'll take that. We've got 10 seconds left. I think it's got it. We're good. And I'm going to show you why Claude's result is more easy to view on your actual browser. So if I stop this, we're gonna stop this. So what I meant was, if I go here, right, and I copy this, and I'm gonna go to cursor, right, I'm gonna create a new file, and I'm gonna paste it. I'll save it as JS, just like this. And if I wanna use this file like this, I can't just use it off the rip. Like I can't go here, drag it on here, and have it working, because it just shows me this, which we don't want. But with the Claude one, I can literally go here, I can go to the code, I can copy all the code, or click the copy button, go here, paste it, and we'll save it as a HTML just like that. And then if we want to use this file, we just grab it, slap it here, and it works. That's a difference you can see. So Claude's more like, it wants to be able to get started straight away, whereas with React, with ChatGPT, you're assuming the user knows what React is, or you're gonna have to ask what React is. Whereas with Claude, you can just paste it in just like that. But you guys let me know who you guys think won. I think Claude won this. It doesn't surprise me because Claude Code is kind of winning the whole vibe coding movement right now. I mean, people use Cursor. I use Cursor as well, but either or, I don't really care. As long as it gets the job done for me, I'm happy. But you guys let me know who won. You can see this was the original one, image we sent, and we've got ChatGPT's version, just like this, and then we've got Claude's version, which is here. So close. Like I said, Claude's probably won it, but you guys let me know. Thank you for watching. Peace.